How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 67 Plymouth Satellite 440. It's done in Tuxedo black with the dark red interior in it. Super nice little car. It's older restoration on the paintwork. It's original body panels. It's got all the original chrome, original grille. The front bumper and rear bumper do show a little bit of aging. Car's nice and straight down the sides. It's got aluminum headed 440 in it. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got fast fuel injection system on it. And it's power 4-wheel disc, power steering. Got 727 trans. It's got an 8 3/4 posi rear. Been updated with front and rear sway bars. Got a nice set of Rev Classics on it, 17-inch new tires. And again, it's a 440, original motor. It's had aluminum heads put on it, aluminum intake. It's got the fast fuel injection. It's got vintage AC and heat. Your power steering, your power disc brakes, aluminum radiator. I really like this interior in this car. Got all original dash, in real good condition. See the fast fuel injection controller there. Headliner's real nice and tight. The interior looks like it's been all replaced. It looks like it's new, but I tell you, it's very nice. You see a little bit of the aging in the bumper there. The chrome's faded a little. And this is an all original panel car, original floors. Got a bunch of the receipts, paperwork on all the stuff on the motor and the air conditioning and everything, fuel injection, all your braking system. Got a pair of gauges there under the dash, original radio in it. And it's a aluminum headed 440 with fuel injection. Tell you, super good car. Good solid car. Got a nice set of headers, duals out the back, got good sound to it. Got a nice little cam in it. Tell you, nice car, guys. Just a real nice survivor. Cruise, drive it, enjoy it. Check out our complete inventory RossCustomsMI.com. Have a great day, folks.